Here's the gist. I have no prior nor present knowledge about the place I'm heading. It's currently 9:55 a.m. and Jana and I are on a train headed to Eger. We literally were not aware that this place existed till a week ago. We're just going there because, for the plot, I guess. We have sacrificed our sleep to visit a foreign land on a freaking Saturday morning. Hey, Torpedo. Hi, Jana. How do you feel?
I'm excited to see where the hell are we even going?
We literally agreed because they said travel, and we're like,
okay,
yeah, let's travel.
why not? You know.
Just because I know nothing about this place doesn't mean you shouldn't as well. So let's do a quick history lesson. Eger is best known for its famous Hungarian wines. Alongside its winery, Eger also has manufacturing industries and the Matra Mountains, which houses a natural spa with numerous bathing facilities. I really do think it's the wine that draws people in, because on my trip there, when I was speaking to another person that was on the trip with us, he did speak highly of the wine.
Oh, just stop it.
I think you want to do my intro with her, but she's chill.
Me?
Yeah.
She's relaxed. I'm relaxed. I'm really relaxed.
So when we get there, I'll talk to you guys. Oh my god.
Look at that. It's literally.
You guys, we're about to get ice cream, and we don't want to get because there are options.
There's too many options. It all looks so good.
Rate it.
10 out of 10.
This trip has been so cute. I like it here. It's cute here. It's very cute. Very you move, girls. Yeah, very much so. It's not my type of trip because I don't be doing all this walking. Not in these shoes, at least. Hey guys, we're still, where are we? Eger. That's where we are. And these people.
No. No. They said they want to walk first. They want to see the sights first. But we're fucking hungry.
Dying. Like, we've been out since 7. No, yeah, 7. And it is almost 3 p.m. No food.
Yeah.
And we are walking uphill. Look, going to walk this whole thing, no food in our tummies, nothing in our stomachs. Like, we got ice cream, but still.
What's ice cream gonna do?
And I am not wearing walking shoes.
Yeah, no, I honestly feel bad for you because you're wearing.
Yeah. Yeah, they're loafers. I'm wearing walking shoes. So,
Well, this is like a full uphill trek.
yeah. And I usually make sure I am well fed before I embark on journeys like this. I am not well fed. So, yeah. But so far, it's well time. Yeah. This pretty. Oh my god, girl. We finally won. We're going to get food. I'm so happy. Like, literally, after 5 minutes of saying everyone said they wanted to walk. Yeah, everyone wants to eat now. So happy that we're going to eat because I'm starving. Oh, OTD.
Trip was very cute. It's a very small town, giving Gilmore Girls. It's like a small town in Italy. Like that's how it feels like.
The buildings are very colorful, and I really like how you see this. This is red, and this is green, and this is brown. I like everything pairs so nicely together. They could have a building that is yellow, green, red, purple, pink, but it pairs nicely together and it's so pretty. I really appreciate that. We're about to have lunch finally. Best way to eat pizza. It's chilly. It's been a nice day, lovely day. I would say visit this town if you are in a city that is extremely busy, because this place is very calm and cozy and relaxing. It's beautiful. We've eaten, we've taken pictures. We're at the castle. We didn't go in because no one's that interested to go in. Yeah, Jana is over everything.
It's amazing. I loved it. This is such a nice view. Like I could sit here for a long time. But like going somewhere else? No. I'm done.
And they said they want to go to a place that is a 14 minutes walk, and I just want to go home. So I even took off my hat. Yeah, that's to let you know that I'm tired. I'm done for the day. My outfit is done for the day. Got my pictures. Everything is fine. Yeah, come to, how do you pronounce the word? The place? Eger. To relax. Enjoy the weather, enjoy the food, enjoy the people. The people here are so chill and calm, and they don't really care. They're just chilling. Yeah. Very lovely day. I liked it. Healthy and delicious. Need to come here. He's so nice. Then he has all these nice ice creams, slushies. Yeah. He has range. I got that. I'm sure I got that. Bye.